Hello guys, you're welcome once again to Crypto family, a place where we share a proper guideline on how to earn a digital product. So now, today we are going to talk about Wrapped BI. So this particular project has been going on Telegram bots, and I have explained a lot about this particular project in my previous video. The video is on the description of this video. So this particular place you can check on the description and watch the video to the end. So now, as you can see, RadBI have a large number of community. So this is the community, people that are participating in this particular project is being here. So it has a large community. So now let's click on the start button to go to the dashboard. So we are on the dashboard on this particular site. So one thing you should understand is that a project like this is not 100% safe. It's not 100% guarantee. Nevertheless, no matter the updates that they offer. As of yesterday, there's a written things over down here that you should not click on any site except their own site. That any other site is a scam. So it they appear to be legit, but the steps and the updates is very suspicious. That's why we have to be very careful concerning this particular project. So now, as you can see, the mining speed has increased. Not it has increased. The mining speed has increased. So another one you need to take a look at is that they ask you to earn 50.20 wrapped PI by a day. So that is why they increase this mining rate. So this mining rate has increased. So now they now give you another update that you should input your pi 24 passphrase of pi to the particular site. So my own piece of advice is that should we do that? Should we give them an access for them to tamper with our precious efforts by imputing this particular 24 passphrase? Because immediately you put this particular 24 phrases, your account will be monitored and they can access to it because they will keep those information safe in their own database. So do you get now that if you input this particular 24 passphrase in this particular place, they can access to your main Pi account. So are they trying to rob the community or they are trying to reward the community? That is my question. What are they up to? Are they to reward the community or to scam the community? So the question, you should put your answer on the below the description, as in below the comment section. So whether we should engage ourselves in this particular information or not. But my own piece of advice once again is that don't input your 24 passphrase in this particular site because we don't know where they are heading to. We don't know what they are up to. Even they are going to reward the community, their step and the information that they're giving to the community is very suspicious. So let's stay tuned and watch to the end. The next update will be given to you as soon as I got the information again. So I think I have come to the end of this video. The only thing you need to do now is to head straight and click on this subscription button of this particular channel and also turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified and you'll come and watch. So now we have come to the end of this video. Do well to subscribe and be safe. So be blessed.